In this video, I will be going through the features of this new smartwatch FY16 Plus from Fiypo. It comes with some decent and interesting features and I will talk about them, but first let's go through the specifications. The watch has a square design and has a metallic build, and it also feels premium on the wrist as it does have some weight to it. On the front is a curved 1.69-inch display with a resolution of 240 by 280 and a peak brightness of 650 nits. It does get pretty bright and is easy to see in bright sunlight, so viewing the display outdoors is not a problem. On the right side, there is the only button which functions as the on-off and back button. It also rotates but doesn't do anything. On the left, there is a single slit for a speaker, and at the back we get the heart rate sensor and charging pins. The band that comes included is a standard silicone band which can be easily replaced. When it comes to the software, there are some really cool features included, such as the voice assistant called Siri. There is the Bluetooth call option, which for some reason I have not been able to use, but it's there if you want it. Navigating around the watch is pretty simple. Swipe down to go to the quick settings, from where you can control several features like vibration, brightness, and also you can go in the settings. It is also customizable, so you can add or remove features to it. Swiping up brings on the notifications. Swiping to the left allows you to scroll through widgets, which includes a steps widget, heart rate widget, blood pressure, and music controls, among others. And swiping to the right from the home screen brings up the control panel, where you can access information like weather, Bluetooth call, and brightness. This control panel is dynamic, so it keeps on changing based on the recently used apps that will appear here. You can change the watch face by long pressing on the home watch face, and it does come with some pre-installed watch faces. There are some really cool and colorful options available for watch faces on this watch. To go to the app drawer, you have to press the side button, and here you will see a very Apple Watch-esque design. In fact, you will see a lot of it all over the software. But you can change the app drawer style by going in the quick settings and tapping on this button. And you can choose between list, cellular, grid, and other views. You can also find this button in the app drawer. When it comes to the health features, it can measure your heart rate, blood pressure, sleep, and even has breathing exercises. Activity tracking is also present, where you can track activities like running, walking, yoga, cycling, and basketball. It provides you with some basic information like steps, distance, calories, and heart rate during activity tracking. In settings, you can turn on the flashlight, reset the watch, power it off, change the screen off time and language of the watch. A lot of the watch features can also be controlled from the app, and the app that you need to download on your phone is called VFit. In the app, go in the equipment section, and here you can download even more watch faces, turn on notifications for calls and apps, set up alarms and reminders for sedentary lifestyle. You can also add contacts to your watch, and then you can also call those contacts from the watch. You will also see an option for wallets here, where you can add your Alipay, PayPal, and Google Pay wallets. Then there are other things here like time format, finding your band, do not disturb mode, turn on screen on raising the wrist, and automatic heart rate detection. You can also use the watch as the camera remote. Overall, it's a decent entry-level smartwatch with features you won't find in other watches of the same price category, like calling, speaker, voice assistant, and wallets. However, there are also things that needs improvement. Like the language in the app is very inconsistent and doesn't feel polished or even professional, but that can be fixed with an update. Also, from time to time, the touch display goes bonkers and doesn't respond to touches or respond just too much, and things start to happen and open automatically. But again, it's nothing that cannot be fixed with the software update. So that's about it from this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.